Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming conditions. Measure vent temperature and room relative humidity, and note where condensation forms. Once done, access the nearest duct run and look for wet spots, loose joints, or missing insulation. This is why condensation starts. You should seal visible leaks with foil-back tape and replace any torn insulation right away. Make sure to prepare a dehumidifier and ventilation fans. These control the indoor moisture that feeds the problem. Once the system is primed, focus on permanent fixes. Seal every joint using foil-back tape and mastic to stop humid air infiltration. Then, insulate the entire cold run with R6 or better. Include elbows and plenums so cold surfaces stay above dew point. Next, verify condensate drains. Make sure they slope correctly, clear clogs, and confirm traps hold water. These steps reduce surface cooling and remove collected moisture. Together, they prevent recurring sweating. You finish by controlling the environment and verifying results. Lower indoor humidity to below 55% with a dehumidifier, and avoid extreme thermostat swings that drop vent temperatures too fast. Once complete, remeasure vent temp and room RH after 24 hours to confirm improvement. If condensation returns, troubleshoot. Inspect for insulation gaps, reduced airflow, or an overcooled evaporator coil. Fix those next. One key tip: if sweating
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.